Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off binary G-code in PrusaSlicer. So we have two methods. We will go through both of them. One which is recommended, and then we have that we can turn it off for a specific printer profile. So let's go with the recommended one first. So this is the easiest option because it completely stops PrusaSlicer from generating files no matter which printer profile you choose. So look at the very top menu bar and click on configuration and then select preferences, or you can click on Ctrl P. Now click on the other tab on the left side of the preferences window. So we have other, like so, and locate the G-code section. So we have use binary G-code when the printer supports it. Click OK. So what we need to do is uncheck the box right here, and then just click on OK to save and close the preferences window. Now, if you want to disable it for one specific machine profile, you can change the firmware compatibility settings. So click on the printer settings, then go in the left hand navigation column and click on what we are going to do is find, so we will not find here in print settings but in printers, and then we will select general. Now what we are going to do is scroll down to the firmware section and uncheck the box labeled supports binary G-code. So supports where it is, supports binary G-code, and uncheck this one. Now what we need to do is click on the small floppy disk save icon next to your profile name at the top to save your modified printer preset, so which is right over here. You can rename it here persona. We can change here that we disabled G code and click OK. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next